Walking in nature, I realized that everything is not perfect. All the flowers, the leaves, they have holes in them from the animals and the bugs and other feces. It has imperfections. It's not always the picture perfect ideal that we tend to display. And we are the same way in nature. It is such a beautiful reflection of us to be able to accept ourselves in all of our beauty, accepting the imperfections as part of the journey and lessons learned along the way to obtain the wisdom that is needed to live a peaceful life.